Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to install Chrome extensions on our mobile device. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead to our App Store and install Kiwi Browser. So just like for example, if you notice on my screen right now, I have here Kiwi Browser and I just installed this one earlier. So all we need to do then is to go to this particular browser. So I have here. Once we are on this page, we can go ahead and click from store. So basically we can notice then the different extensions that is available on this store. So we will just be waiting for this one to load then. So once we are here, we notice the different extensions that can be installed on our device. So just like for example, if I'm going to choose here Google Translate, all I need to do then is to click that. And of course, we will just be waiting for this one to load. So here, we can notice that we have an option to add this one to Chrome. So we can click that so that that extension will be added on our Chrome then. So we will just be waiting for this one to load then. So if you notice, that particular extension was already installed on our Chrome. So there you have it. That's how we are going to install Chrome extensions on our mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.